story behind the waxing and the waxing service actually started already in the 1960s when our founder Åke Nordin, he was testing the prototype of what has become the iconic Greenland jacket. And while testing, he wasn't really satisfied with the water repellency of the jacket, and then he came to think about when he in his youth did ski jumping. Because when he did that, when he and his friends were sitting on top of the ski slope waiting for their turn, they always waxed their skis, obviously, but then also the backside of their pants. So he thought about the fact that they used the wax to get water repellency, and that's how the waxing itself came about. Then he started experimenting, and the Greenland wax was produced. The benefits of the waxing related to sustainability is right now quite obvious, but I don't think in the start when Åke made it, it was at all connected to sustainability. It was certainly not a part of a sustainability strategy, and I don't think the concept of sustainability was on his mind as it is today. Because now we really see that it is connected to our strategy on sustainability. At Fjällräven we put very much emphasis on developing timeless, functional and durable garments, and the fact that you can wax your garment is a way to prolong the lifespan, make it more durable, but it's also a way where you can modify the functionality of the garment, and that's also why it is important for us that the customer can do this for themselves. You can also get water repellent functions without having chemicals used. We get a lot of positive reactions from customers, and I think our store personnel are probably the ones who get most of them, and they also like the waxing because it is an added value and it's a good service to sell. I think one thing that is really important when it comes to this kind of information is to link it to the actual product, so it doesn't become some sustainability thing that is spinning on the side. This is actually, if you go online and look at our products, you will find the instruction movie for how to wax your garment linked to every product that can be waxed. On a lot of products now we have, if you look on the inside of the garment, we actually have sewn in the instructions of how to wax the garment. So it is right there in your face, so to speak, which I think it is really important in order to spread the word of it. The other thing that we do is the waxing stations that we have in the stores, and I really like that, the fact that people can come into the store and get your old garments waxed. And so we've also trained a lot of waxing experts, so to speak, on how to wax garments and teaching people how to do it themselves, because you can do it at home. At the moment, we don't do anything quite similar, so the waxing service is unique for us right now. But the concept of adding a service to your products, that very much serves as an inspiration for how we think and develop new products and new ideas. I think is also very important in regards to sustainability. We all need to think more innovative in terms of not just producing a lot of products, period.